Hey guys, and welcome back to another trading analysis video. Today we're going to be having a look at the Forex forecast, and it's all going to be about three pairs today, and two of them we've passed, and we're just going to look over them from the previous video. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss videos from me, and let's get straight into it. I don't want to waste time. We've already had a look at the EUR USD pair, and as you can see, we had two beautiful trades from last week. Look at that. TP, 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 TP. Beautiful trades. We've already spoke about it. I'm looking to take further positions and add to the winning streak that we are currently on in the new year. As you can see here, we are still in sells, and we are currently floating in profits. Let's hope we don't go into drawdown. As you can see, price has reacted from this blue line several times. Let's draw that down for you guys so you can see. Came up to that line, pushed down, came up to that line, did break above it, but eventually majorly pushed down. And it's come up to that line again, pushed down. Came up to that line again, pushed down, came up to the line, and you know the score, it pushed down, creating lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. So we are in this bearish trend, which is all good. And we want to have a look at the weekly, which we did in the previous video. I'm not going to do that again. And the weekly is bearish. Daily, as you can see, is bearish. We just formed a lower low. So if anything, we are waiting for this pullback. Tap this line again, and we see what happens at the line. If it gives us wicks like it does here, we are looking to go again short, which is all good. Take short positions at the wicks, and as you can see, we can now class this area as a sort of a breaker. There's a breaker block here in this area, so price will like to return to that area and then push down again, which is all good for us to take sells and hopefully continue for this TP, and hopefully we can get three amazing trades on EUR USD. I do like it a lot. I do love this pair. Look at the EMA as well, confirming to push price below. It's all good. We had our taps in the area of interest, and we are now looking for previous lows or resistance or anything that's going to stop us, and it's all the way over here, and we want to take profits. Can you see at this line here? Because price has reacted from it before. So as you can see, price came down and pushed aggressively up. Price came down and it consolidated in this area. And as you can see, it's come up to that line and pushed down. Came here, pushed up. So I do like that for TP. So that's everything for EUR USD. I'm hoping to get a push to the blue line. Once I get a blue line, I see how it reacts from there, and then we'll push down further. So we are sells, we are bearish. EUR USD. The next pair that I want to talk about is the EUR AUD. I like this pair again. I do love this pair a lot. We'll run it through quickly. The yellow lines are the area of interest. As you can see with the strategy, you guys know it by now. We pushed out, and we're back in, and then as soon as we push out, we are looking for that buy, because the weekly is bullish and the daily is bullish, so the two time frames are in sync for us to take the buy position. As we talked about the wicks in the previous video, we have got the wick here, and price tends to like to fill these wicks, and that's why I've set both my TPs there. If TP gets hit there, then we can also look to take buys further. See how it reacts from that point. If it pushes onwards, we'll take TPs in our order block up here, which is all good, because that order block spoken in the previous video is the weekly fair value gap. So we might get a tap into that zone, so just be very careful. If we do tap into that zone, we don't know what's going to happen. So I'll take my profits there for TP2. As you can see, let's just talk about it quickly. We'll drop onto the daily for this because it shows it more clearer for us. And we can see price never, after breaking here, it's never come through back down here. It came, tapped our zone, pushed up, tapped our zone, pushed up, tapped our zone, pushed up, tapped our zone again, pushed up, tapped our zone again, pushed up. excuse me. So it's tapped our zone multiple times and pushed up. And as you can see, there's a smaller one being formed here. Came into the zone, pushed down. Came into the zone, pushed down. Came into the zone, however, it didn't push down, it's pushed up. Then we want to retest on that zone. We got the retest here. It tried to break down, it didn't quite break down, and then it's pushed up again. So we like that, we like that. So we are definitely bullish. I can see us hitting TP, which is all good stuff. Hopefully get TP on that one. And then finally the new pair for the week, which all you guys have been waiting for, I'm sure, is not this one. It is, come on, why can I never find these, man? I need to organize it better. I do need to organize it a lot better because I can't find them. This one, finally, GBP, JPY. I do like this one for sells. Even though we'll have a look quickly on the weekly, even though the weekly is bullish. As we can see, we've pushed up and then gone down and then we've broken structure here. Price came for that, didn't quite go down, and I can see it. We are bullish. But as you can see, it's only ever so slightly closed above the previous one. So that's telling me that it's struggling to close above. It didn't even close above our previous wick here. It didn't, so it's pushed down again. So I can see it happening for it to be bearish. I think we can turn this down. Again, this is telling me that we've pushed down so aggressively, pushed down really aggressively here. So we could definitely be bearish. We can see the fair value gap's been tapped as well, which is very nice for us. You can see, put a zone in, market, fair value gap, untouched price, and we've tapped it here and we've pushed down from there. So we can see if I draw TP, just based off the fair value gap and based off the fact that we didn't close higher. That's why, just based off that. So we can see an engulfing bearish candle there. On the next candle you're in, draw 1.5 times above our zone here. 1.5 times would be here. So I can see sales happening until there, and then we'll assume different otherwise from there, which would be almost getting to the lows of the weekly here and then turning bearish. So again, I can definitely see bearish, although the weekly is bullish. But we need 2 time frames in sync. So we'll just have to spin around to the 4 hour. Spin around over there. Oof. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is bearish and the daily is bearish. So as you can see there, the 2 time frames in sync. We need taps on our zone. Let's get rid of half of these lines because we don't need them. Taps in our zone. Multiple taps there, multiple taps there, multiple taps there, multiple taps there. So the zone is valid. We'll have a look at the 4 hour very quickly. Got taps there, got taps here. We've got a few here. A lot of taps on the 4 hour here. Price was just really flirting with the lines there. It's really dancing with it. But as you can see, it's now pushed out of those lines. So what I want to see is on the 4 hour, I just want to see bullish up into these zones. I don't want to close above here. So let's mark that on. We don't want to close above there. That would ruin everything. We don't get our trade for the week. So we don't want to close there, but I want to see at least price get near the first white line. If price gets near that first white line, then I can see bearish there. We can see the EMA is also above price, looking to push it down, which is all good stuff. I love it a lot. They're the trades for the week. I hope you guys are successful. I hope you guys manage to take TPs, take Ps, take profit. Let's see those profits. Let's see those profits, guys. Okay. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You already know. Turn that notification bell on so you don't miss videos. And hopefully you don't miss my channel ever again. And if you see my video, make sure you like and press the button to watch, because I need views.